Hello and welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is South Africa to chair BRICS in 2023. Foreign ministers from Brazil, Russia, India and China extended their full support to South Africa for its BRICS chairship in 2023 and also for holding the 15th summit. BRICS foreign ministers held their annual meeting on the margins of the 77th session of the United Nations General Assembly in New York. The ministers called for the implementation of the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. In its three dimensions, economic, social and environmental, in a balanced and integrated manner by mobilizing the means required to implement the 2030 Agenda. The ministers welcomed the Transforming Education Summit convened by the UN Secretary General from 16 to 19 September 2022. The member countries also welcomed the first BRICS Anti-Corruption Ministerial Meeting, which was held virtually on July 13th. The minister encouraged the BRICS Working Group on Anti-Corruption to strengthen cooperation including experience and information sharing on anti-corruption issues.